This 2024 Forest River Aurora 31 KDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corpus Christi, Texas, 78409 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Corpus Christi. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 44 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.